Why do 80% of crypto newbies feel anxious buying their first coin? Because it sounds complicated. But today, I'll show you how easy it can be. Step 1. Pick a crypto exchange that supports XRP, like Coinbase, Kraken, or Uphold. Make sure it's available in your country and check for good security and fair fees. Step 2. Create your account. You'll need a strong password and will probably upload your ID for verification. Don't worry, it's standard stuff. Step 3. Fund your account. You can use a bank transfer, credit card, or even deposit other crypto. Step 4. Search for XRP, decide how much you want, and place your order. For beginners, market order is the simplest way to go. Step 5. Move your XRP to a secure wallet. Exchanges are great, but wallets like Ledger or Exodus are safer for storage. Remember, crypto can be risky, so always do your own research and stay secure. This video is just for education, not financial advice.